Thank you for trusting Smith-Blair. Please abide by all local, state, and federal safety requirements and regulations when installing any Smith-Blair product. Follow all OSHA guidelines. Please use proper tools and personal protective equipment when installing Smith-Blair products. Today we will present an installation guide for your Smith-Blair service saddle. We will use the 317 style for this video. Make sure that all parts are present and that nothing has been damaged during shipping or storage. Installation instructions can be found in the carton containing the saddle. Always read these carefully. Using a pie tape, measure the outer diameter of the pipe. Compare this to the range printed on the saddle. Clean the pipe surface thoroughly, particularly in the area where the gasket will seat. Check the gasket for proper positioning in the saddle body and reposition if necessary. Lubricate the gasket and the pipe. Do not use pipe soap or grease. Lubricant should be suitable for your application and compatible with the pipe type. Remove all hardware from the saddle. Position the saddle body as close to the final tap position as possible. Install the bells or straps, then the washers, then the nuts. If only 2 washers are present, use these on the open lug side of the saddle body. Tighten the nuts progressively and uniformly to the recommended torque values. The use of a properly calibrated torque wrench is required. Torque specifications can be found on the installation instructions. Thanks for watching our video. For questions or concerns, you can contact us at 1-800-643-9705 or visit us online at www.smith-blair.com.